Good day, everyone. Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is July 19, 2023. Here is a S&P 500 daily chart, and we had kind of like a light volume again, another light volume today. Market just went up, not as strong like yesterday, but it was an uptick, and we are just still in this small supply area here, which was kind of like important pivotal point. And also, I was talking about 40, 45, 30, which is kind of like as a decisive moment. We are at a 45.64. So right now we are just above this level. As long as we are above this level and market just keeping up with this momentum, so we should just be fine. But obviously, this is overstretched or about anyway, if you want to slice it and dice it. And whenever we got even in this like a parabolic move to the upside, so you will see we've got a divergence between SMA 20. We have like a down tick and then a next leg up. So we will see how it goes if it happens again, the same thing. So we are kind of like a stretched over about SMA 20s here. Any pullback to this level, we'll see if it holds here. Then it's going to be just another reversing back up to here. That would be pretty bullish momentum for the market. And we are just getting into 4,800, which is going to be a double top or even nominal all-time high. So we'll see how it goes. But again, as I said, we are just getting into this RSI double top formation here. So RSI double top, whenever we get here, since 2021, it was kind of like a risky area for the market. So as you see here, when RSI gets here, gets here, double top. So if it's kind of like a resistance area as well. So that's what I mentioned in my RSI chart. So we'll see how it goes. And also, we are just getting another bear reversal happening. And if this bear reversal happens this week, and we get down to here to again oversold condition, that would be kind of like a nice buying opportunity as well. So again, as long as we are above 42, 4,300, we should be fine. So if we get below this pivotal, one of these pivotal, and market just hold below this, then this would be a very, very ugly scenario. So right now, don't forecast, don't predict, because any forecast or predict, that's going to be awful for the lots of short squeeze happen during this rally. So market overstretched, overbought. There's no doubt about it, but fighting against the market is going to be kind of like a financial suicide plan or action that you can take. So we need to see when institution is coming back and sell to the market. So when you will see a high volume reversal happening in SPY, then I'm going to tell you, okay, institution just got involved and we should just be careful. Right now, they're just sitting on the side. They don't make any decision. They're just keep the momentum higher and higher. So we just keep an eye on this one, and we are taking benefit of this rally as well. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to Nasdaq. Nasdaq just another optical. So forgive me, chart is there. So Nasdaq just coming down after market. So after hours, we got earning for Tesla and Netflix. Both they beat the earnings and expectations and revenue expectations. So at the first glance, it was okay, but seemed like there was something in the earning. I didn't see the earning report, to be honest, but a market just to get into this supply area, and very, very interesting level. This is the level that I was pointing out, August, September. I was thinking that's going to be the top, but obviously I was wrong, because market just stretched in July timeframe, even just at the ceiling of this box. So we will see how it goes. If it goes down to here to 15,000, and then just forming another bottoming formation for the next rally. So we should just keep an eye on the next rally, because if the next rally goes above this ceiling, you're obviously in a bull trend, and there is no doubt about it, probably all-time high is happening this summer. But if we get to this scenario, we are just coming down probably, and then the next rally just getting another lower high and then roll over down, that would be, I think, the end of the scenario for this bull market. And we should see just a coming down sharply after that, because earnings kind of like it was good, but I don't know what was the reason for the market to sold out Netflix and Tesla after hours. So we have lots of interesting earnings coming next week. Google, Microsoft, and Amazon coming next, I believe, Tuesday and Wednesday, and along with FOMC meeting for July session. That is very, very important as well. So again, all in all, earnings season is going to be tough to trade. So if you don't have that skill, or if you think that it's going to be too much for you, just stay on the side. Just the market will give you another chance as well. So there are always opportunities in the market. You don't need to trade in earnings season when we have such a this volatile market. So just to be careful and be patient on that one as well. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, because of the banking sector, banks, energy, and also healthcare, they did very well. So today, so that's why Dow is just ripping up to the upside. Take out this pivotal point. Any pullback could be a buying opportunity, if you ask me, for the next rally. I think this is just the beginning for Dow, based on a price action, based on the pattern. And if you just follow my video, I'm just talking about lots of patterns forming with Dow Jones Industrial, and it's just getting ready for a next move to the upside. 38,000, that is on my plate right now for the target. It can stretch more to 39 to 40,000. Sure, it can, but 38,000, that's going to be my level. And I think Dow Jones would be, I should say conservatively, would be the only stock index that can reach new all-time high this year. And we will see how it goes with that one. But right now, I'm just looking for Dow to have a better performance compared to S&P and Nasdaq. Moving on to the individual names, starting with yield as usual. So yield, another doji bar here. So it's just forming small bullish consolidation. So it seems like market is getting ready for another spike for the yield, then coming down. We will see how it goes, but I think the next rally could be a selling opportunity. So I'm just waiting for that one, see how it goes. A TLT, just a positive day, nice surge to the upside. So that is interesting because yield had like a doji, nice doji bullish momentum to the upside. Look at the TLT. TLT just smashed the price higher and close above 102. This is very, very interesting. This bullish consolidation forms as well. So we need to take out this 104. When we take out this 104, this can go all the way up to 108. So we will see how it goes with that one. But TLT, obviously, that's going to be a good one as well for the next 6 to 12 months. Gold, just a doji bar, nothing happening. Doji close to bearish harami. So it's just consolidating here, if you ask me. And because we are at a very, very important pivotal point. So anyway, if you just see this earlier, 1970 to 1980, that is very, very important level. So we need to have more consolidation, something like this, and then boom, for the next rally to here, to this 2010. So we'll see how it goes. If gold can get back above 2010, that would be very bullish for miners, which we own. Crude, just a negative day and nothing bad, nothing good. Again, reacting to this small SMA 200 and also this supply area. Crude just consolidating, if you ask me. More consolidation, more higher prices coming down the road. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm just looking for more consolidation for crude, nothing more. VIX, just a small spike to the upside. So seems like VIX is forming the bottom information, if you ask me. I know lots of people are saying about this bear flag, but this bear flag just happening here at the very, very extreme low. Usually bear flag at the extreme low would fail. So we'll see how it goes this time, but I think VIX can get to 17 or even 20 down the road in this summer, nothing more. Dixie just going back up. So Dixie forming a bearish consolidation, but seems like, again, the same price action. We are getting into demand area, so Dixie just coming back up. I believe this rally could be just a dead cat bounce for the next drop down the road. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to technology sector, Magma Index, Doji Bar, again, still in the bullish momentum. We need to take out these levels to be fully bearish. Right now, it's just a doji bar. I know we are at extreme high. So there is kind of like lots of odds. There are lots of odds for taking the bearish momentum, but look what happens. So here is the very important pivotal point, just a small pullback, important pivotal point, just a small pullback. And this time could be the same. So we can just have like a small pullback for the next rally. So we'll see how it goes. Again, next week, this index next week could be very volatile. Moving on to the next technology, Apple, new all-time high today, and just sharply sold off after that. So it's not a good sign when we see a new all-time high and then rejection sharply afterwards at the same day. So it's not a good price action, something like this coming down, something like this coming down. So even if it goes down to here and hold at least this pivot or this pivot, that would be kind of like a bullish scenario for Apple. So we'll see how it goes. Amazon, just a $2.53 up. Meta, nice uptick, $3.96 up. Microsoft coming down. So Microsoft after yesterday price action, fantastic price action yesterday. Today just sold off. It doesn't have momentum to the upside. So still above 330. So as long as we are above this pivotal point, 320 to 330, that would be kind of like a scenario that we can still be bullish on that one. Google, just a reversal coming down. So this price action is weak. If we take out this pivotal point, we can go to 107. Next week earning, be careful on this one. Netflix, just after market, look what happened. Prices smashed downside, so it goes to this demand area. I believe Netflix needs to hold out this 410. If it goes below this 410 or 400, let's say, this can go easily go down to here, even not these ones. It can go all the way down to here. It owes to this area, so we'll see how it goes. It's going to be very bearish price action for Netflix. Tesla just coming down after market, just that went up, then coming down. So again, beats the earning and revenue, but the market doesn't like it, seems like. And if it goes below 240, it can go here 220, 27, and then going down as well. So level by level, we can work on that. Moving on to semiconductor, which was a weak sector today. So semis, they didn't do well today. So we'll see how it goes. SMH, this is $1.68 down. SOX, $6.31 down. TSM, just 9 cents down. AMD $1.50. Look at the price action. It just went up and then coming down, pretty nice bearish engulfing. So this bear flag still can be intact. If it goes below this 110, 107, that would be kind of like interesting to see how market react. Nvidia just a $4.17 down. Nothing bad, nothing good. Texas Instrument just 1 cent down. Doji at the resistance area, so we'll see how it goes. Lam Research $15 down. This one, I believe this has been topped, and this is kind of like an ending diagonal. If we go below 600, just be careful on that one because it can go all the way down to here. We'll see how it goes. Moving on to the banking sector, which was positive nicely today. I think they are getting to the first target for XLF. And this wide range war in this breakout, so people needs to be careful. Still, there is momentum to the upside. Still, it can go another dollar or so, but we will see how it goes. KBE, just a dollar to the upside, and nicely getting back to here, 42.57. That's my first target. KRE, nicely going up. This is the level that I'm looking for, nothing less, still within this wide range bar, but this doji is kind of like a tricky. I believe 49 to 53, that's going to be a selling area. JP Morgan, not an uptick, a nice uptick today, 59 cents. Goldman didn't do well with the earning result because they missed the earning, but ended up positive, interestingly. So we'll see how it goes. Bank of America, they did well today, just 83 cents off. Wells Fargo, 60 cents off. Wells Fargo is in this demand area, supply area. So everyone needs to be careful on this because if it goes back down, needs to hold out this level for the next buying opportunity. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to the gold miners, they were kind of like a week along with gold price. GDX 27 cents down, GDXJ 35 cents down, AEM 27 cents down, and EM just positive day. Fantastic bullish price action is forming here below this SMA 200 and also below this breakout to the downside. So this one can go to 48 if you ask me. So we'll see how it goes. Franco-Nevada 8 cents to the upside. Gold Barrick just nothing, just a doji bar and nothing happening. Moving on to energy stocks, XLE just 48 cents up. Interestingly, crude was negative, but energy was positive today. XOP 68 cents up, Doji Bar, OIA 67 cents down. Not a bad price action. Exxon 70 cents. 78, well, Exxon 70 cents up. Chevron 94 cents up. Oxy just 8 cents up and nothing more. Oxy is just a forming consolidation, and RIG is coming down 20 cents down. So RIG still can go to this area for the next buying opportunity. Still waiting for that one. We'll see how it goes. I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.